Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna quickly dive into this AI plagiarism checker, which is Copyleaks. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Copyleaks is a solid tool for spotting plagiarisms and AI writing text, perfect for teachers, writers and businesses that need reliable verification. It supports multiple language, integrate with learning system, and also offer API access for bulk check, which make it flexible and professional. However, its AI detection, it isn't as always accurate as what it is, with user reporting false positive and confusing credit pricing. While powerful, it can feel inconsistent and expensive for casual users. So in my opinion, Copyleaks is great for serious plagiarism check, but less ideal if you just need quick, reliable AI detection. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.